1,600 feet. $174 knots. What could possibly go wrong here? Oh my god, we're way too low.
400.
Oh god. Yep, too low. Alright, now we're not bad. Alright, now we're too high. Come on, you want 2 white lights and 2 red.
Approaching minimums.
Okay, that's good because we're about to
50,
touch down.
40,
30.
30,
Count
20,
together.
10.
Oh come on! Every time you pull up like a schmuck. Alright, we're halfway down the runway. We haven't touched it. Alright, we're down, people. Oh, hit the brakes. You always forget to stop. Okay, now things are looking ugly. Come on. That's it. Stop. I think we're down. Look at that. First landing of the Boeing 737 MAX.